Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be a recipe video, and thank you all for watching my previous video. In this video I am sharing homemade pocket shawarma recipe. Since it's long time that we had outside, we were missing Arabic food, and I tried making a replica of shawarma pockets at home with little ingredients which I had. I begin by marinating the paneer blocks using curd, ginger garlic paste, dhania powder, we need to marinate this for half an hour at least with all these ingredients I'm adding now. Along with this I'm adding little turmeric powder, then goes in chili powder. I didn't have jeera powder that day. You can add jeera powder if you have, 1 spoon. Then curry masala powder and little salt. We need to make a thick paste of this marinating mixture. Once it is ready, we need to add the paneer blocks into this mixture and apply all the sides and let it marinate this way for around 1 hour to 30 minutes minimum. I tried making caboose at home, so anyways we will be resting the dough for 1.5 hours. Parallelly I rested these marinated paneer as well. To make the dough, I took 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then we need to add warm water. The water should not be very hot, it should be warm. I added 1 cup of water, mixed all these ingredients together well, and then close it and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes until the yeast is active. I took 2 cups of flour for 1 cup of water. So now you can see the bubbles coming up. This means the yeast is active, and now we can add other ingredients. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to this mixture and mixing it well. We need to add a little salt as well. Then goes in our Maida. First I added 1 cup and made a thick paste of it, and then little by little I added some more dry flour and made a dough out of this. We need to make a smooth dough of caboose and let it rest for minimum 45 minutes until 1 hour so that it raises well and our shawarma meets soft caboose. Once the dough is ready, I applied oil over it, and we are going to let it rest for 1 hour minimum. It's 1 hour now. Now you can see the dough is raised well. This is enough. We have to mix the dough again. Parallelly, our paneer is also being marinated. make small balls out of this. We can take this size balls of the dough we made, and we have to flatten it like we do for chapatis. The roti should not be very thin, neither should it be very thick. You can make the rotis and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes until the air bubble starts coming in the roti. Parallelly, I cut vegetables for the salad which we will be keeping inside it. I took onion, carrot, cabbage, olives. I sprinkled some salt and lemon juice on it and kept it ready for making. After 10 minutes, I took the flattened chapatis and put it on a hot tawa and wait until you get the bubbles over the roti or the caboose we just made. Now you can see the bubbles coming up little by little. Once you get nice bubbles and it's puffing up, the caboose is puffing up. This is the stage where we can flip the caboose and let it cook from the other side. Once flipped over, you can use a wooden spatula and press it gently over the surface so that it starts puffing up. We need to get a nice puffed caboose so that we can make stuffing inside in the middle. So gently press that little by little and it will puff up. Now you can see the caboose is nicely puffed up and ready. Now our caboose is ready, and all my other ingredients also I kept it ready by then. Boiled potatoes, eggs, and it's time for grill frying the paneer. I took little ghee and I'm adding paneer blocks on it, and we will fry it until done. Once the paneer is fried well, we can flip it over. There were some marinating masala left over. I coated the boiled potatoes with the same masala and shallow frying it on the tawa, and then boiled eggs also I shallow fried. Now all our stuffing ingredients are ready. We have to make pockets out of the caboose we made earlier by slitting open it. Cut it into two and we can find the pocket inside. I also took garlic flavored mayonnaise to apply in between the caboose. This is how we make the pockets. This is the reason our caboose should puff up. If it is not puffed up, we cannot make pockets like this. So now I have started stuffing the ingredients inside the pockets as per our taste. Applying mayonnaise then gets in potatoes and little boiled eggs, vegetables. As per our wish, we can stuff the pockets. Here I am making another pocket with paneer stuffing in it. It really tasted yummy, and please do try if you're missing eating outside Arabic food. Make this at home and enjoy your pocket shawarma. Since I had only paneer and egg at home, I tried making it with the ingredients I had. We can also do the same with boneless chicken. If you have boneless chicken at home, do try with that same marinating masala, and it's all the same process. Hope you all enjoyed watching this cooking video and will try it at your home. Thank you all for your time. Please do try making this at your home and give me your feedbacks. Meet you all in another video. Until then, take care.